Hey, what's up guys, Axel Tech with you. In this video I want to show you and give you the last version of the Call of Duty Mobile 1.0.2 and show you how to download it or install it in your phone. So this update comes with the new article improvements in the graphics and the soundtracks and a lot of other things that you are going to see by yourself. Installing this game, you need to download the APK file and the OPP file that I'm going to link it in the description below. The first thing you have to do is to install the APK file on your phone, as I'm doing right now. Then you are going to need to replace the OPP file or the data file in the OPP file, and you'll have to rename it with the right name that I'm going to type it right now. You have to type it right, because if you are going to type it wrong, the game is not going to work. As you can see, com.activision.callofduty.shooter, you are ready to go right now. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. I'm out.